we got some snow. So we did a day in the life video a little while back, so I'm gonna actually make this a night in the life video. A little different. We went out earlier this morning. The video of that was probably the video that's gonna be before this one on the channel. Our first salting event. This is probably gonna be our second salting event, same day though. So it's about 6:30 tonight, Sunday night. So the plan right now, it's gonna be snowing for another couple hours. Not sure how much we're gonna end up with, probably an inch, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go play hockey. If you watched our other day in the life video, you know, I play hockey a couple days a week, so I'm gonna go play some hockey. I got a 8 o'clock game. After that, we'll see what's going on. We'll either go out salting, we'll wait a little bit, go out early morning, I don't know, we'll figure that out. But gonna head to hockey right now, and on the way there, I'm gonna check some of the parking lots.
Ah, that's it. Right. Good.
I just got done with hockey. He's been out all night, well, not all night, but for the last 2 hours salting. So he's got a lot of the parking lots already done. This one we haven't hit yet today. Just gonna get this salted. We're gonna end up going back out in the morning and hitting everything again real quick one more time. So, but just getting the first round done on this one just to get it melted down. I've got about an inch of snow, give or take, and then it's very slippery and icy underneath. Like I said, we didn't salt this one earlier because this wasn't open today, so we didn't waste our time with it. He just ran out of salt in that spreader, so we're gonna go back to the shop, load up, and come back here real quick and do one more quick lap around, and then I got one other property we gotta do real quick. Like I said, I played hockey for the last hour and a half or so, and he was out while I was doing that, so he got most of the parking lots already done. So loading back up, I got David in the machine. If you watched our video, we did the driveway, I let him use it. He's a rookie operator, so give him a break if he spills some salt. I think this might be his first time actually loading the spreaders.
got Amazon in the background, going the wrong way. Pretty typical. Look at that. The first push of the year. Oh, the Amazon guy figured it out. He's going the right way now.
So we actually scraped this parking lot, which, I mean, I know a lot of people are just trying to burn stuff off with salt, but I probably used a quarter of the amount of salt we would have used if we didn't do that. As you can see, I literally just scraped this and just put a tiny layer of salt down, very thin, and it's already pretty much almost bare pavement. So, I mean, it is what it is. We had to put the blades down, but it's gonna save us a lot of salt, especially when salt's so expensive, you know. We're trying to cut back as much as we possibly can. So if that means taking the extra 10 minutes and scraping the snow off the parking lot real quick and putting less salt down, that's what we're gonna do. And hopefully, we're gonna check this in the morning at like 4 or 5 o'clock. Hopefully we shouldn't have to do much here. This should melt down and stay bare all night. We're about to call it a night. We just did our last parking lot. You can already see, well, you can probably barely see with the light, but it's already melting down pretty good. This treated salt works amazing. Literally, this is all slush. We burnt off about an inch of snow. So, tough to see, but all black already over there, all black here. It's already starting to melt down the middle here. So, this treated stuff works awesome. We're gonna check everything probably about 5, 6 in the morning again, just to make sure everything's good. And we'll be done for this one. So a little 2-part storm to start. If you didn't see the first video on it, we went out, salted a couple parking lots, more just black ice at that point. This one obviously went snow. So we'll be back in the morning and we'll get the rest treated. Well, we're back. It's about 6:30 in the morning. We got all our lots done last night and site checked them a little while ago. Everything looks good. Just gonna touch up some spots this morning. Just letting everything warm up. Get some salt in this truck and we'll get out of here. So what ended up happening with this storm is we got 2 rounds of it. We had some ocean effect snow Saturday into Saturday night, created a lot of black ice, and then yesterday around noontime started snowing, and it snowed till about probably 2 a.m. last night. It's tough to see on the trucks. I can show you on, like, you know, the hoods of these trucks here. It's about I don't know, almost 3 inches. So it obviously all didn't stick on the ground. The ground only got about an inch or so. But we had about 3 inches total, give or take. I don't know what the final, like, actual totals would be, but we got a decent amount of snow. It's just if the ground was just too warm. So, but either way, we're just going out, touch up some spots. I don't think we have much to worry about. Gonna load up real quick and get out of here. So we're using the new machine to do this. The Bobcat battery's dead, like I was saying. I gotta get a new battery. And the thing I hate about this, the Boss, it's the only downside I don't like about the small one, is the bucket. Any skid steer bucket, any loader bucket is too big, so you're gonna have some spillover, as you'll see in a minute. That's why we use that smaller bucket. If you watched our other video, we have a small bucket just for that. So basically we just gotta dump it so some of it spills off the back and then shovel the rest in. The one thing I don't like about the Boss is that it is small, and it, like I said, any size bucket, a normal bucket spills over. It is what it is. If we had the other small bucket on here, it wouldn't do that. It's not a big deal. We'll just shovel the rest of the stuff into the truck that spills over. That's gonna be a wrap for this storm. First one of the season in the books, so not bad. Did 2 rounds of salt on most of our properties. A couple of them we only had to do 1. Everything this morning looked good. We had to touch up a couple little spots, but wasn't anything crazy. So did a good job last night getting everything done, so we didn't really have to do too much this morning. But all in all, good success, no issues, no complaints. So I can't complain for the first one of the season. We end up with about, I don't know, I didn't measure it yet, but a good 2.5, maybe 3 inches of snow. Obviously that didn't all stick on the ground down here, but not bad. I mean, would have been nice if we got a little more on the ground. We maybe could have got the plows out, but whatever. It is what it is. I can't complain for the first one. So, but that's gonna be it for this one. Hopefully we get some more snow in the future. We'll see, but if not, I'll have a couple more videos coming out. I want to do a comparison between our different salt spreaders. I got to put the polycaster in the dump truck. I got some stuff to do, so they'll be out on future videos. Been putting a lot of videos out on the channel last couple weeks or so, so if you haven't seen them yet, go check them out. Just working hard to get stuff out, you know. And like I said, if we get some snow, we'll have some snow videos coming, but it's all up to the weather gods at that point. So, but appreciate everybody watching, appreciate the support. We'll see you in the next video.